Hey there! Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep multiple cloud environments secure at the same time? Managing just one cloud can be tricky, but juggling several, that's a whole new level of challenge. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, organizations are increasingly adopting a multi-cloud strategy. That means they're leveraging services from multiple cloud providers to optimize performance, reduce costs, and enhance resilience. But while this approach brings flexibility and agility, it also introduces significant security challenges. Managing multiple cloud vendors securely requires a strategic, proactive, and structured approach. Let's dive into why multi-cloud security is so critical. Organizations often use a mix of public clouds, like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, alongside private clouds and specialized SaaS solutions. This approach allows businesses to avoid vendor lock-in and pick best-of-breed services. But here's the catch. It also multiplies the attack surface. Each vendor has its own architecture, security policies, and compliance requirements, and that makes consistent security management complex. Without robust security controls, multi-cloud environments can become vulnerable to misconfigurations, unauthorized access, data breaches, and even regulatory penalties. So, what are the main security challenges organizations face in a multi-cloud environment? Let's break them down. First up is Identity and Access Management, or IAM. Each cloud provider comes with its own IAM system, and managing multiple identities across clouds increases the risk of privilege sprawl. Users may unintentionally gain more permissions than necessary, which makes accounts prime targets for attackers. To tackle this, organizations can implement centralized IAM solutions or use identity federation. Applying the principle of least privilege and enforcing multi-factor authentication consistently across all platforms can make a big difference. Another challenge is maintaining consistent security policies. Different cloud vendors have varying security controls and compliance certifications, and that makes it difficult to maintain uniform policies. Each environment has unique configuration settings, which can quickly become a security headache. The solution here is to adopt Cloud Security Posture Management Tools, or CSPM, which continuously monitor and enforce security policies across providers. Automating compliance checks ensures that all environments adhere to corporate standards. Then there's the issue of data security and compliance. Data often moves between multiple clouds, which increases exposure to unauthorized access or leakage. Compliance requirements like GDPR, HIPAA, or CCPA add another layer of complexity, especially when storing sensitive data in different regions or jurisdictions. Organizations can mitigate these risks by encrypting data both at rest and in transit, using consistent key management strategies, classifying sensitive data for targeted protection, monitoring data movement, and maintaining a full audit trail. Visibility and monitoring present another hurdle. With resources spread across multiple clouds, monitoring security events and detecting anomalies becomes more difficult. Traditional SIEM tools may not provide full visibility across such diverse environments. To address this, centralized logging and monitoring platforms capable of ingesting data from multiple clouds are essential. Leveraging AI and machine learning-driven analytics also helps detect threats in real time. And let's not forget third-party risk management. Third-party services and APIs can introduce vulnerabilities. Each vendor's security practices vary, making it difficult to ensure the security of integrations and connections. Regular vendor risk assessments, monitoring API usage, enforcing strict access controls, and including security obligations in contracts can help mitigate these risks. Now that we've covered the key challenges, let's talk about best practices for managing multi-cloud security. Developing a unified security strategy is the first step. Align security practices across all cloud environments, focusing on consistency rather than provider-specific silos. Automating security controls is next. Using infrastructure as code and automated compliance scanning reduces human error and helps maintain consistency. Adopting a zero-trust architecture is also crucial. Trust no one by default. Continuously validate identities, devices, and access requests. Regular training and awareness programs are equally important. Employees should really understand multi-cloud security risks, phishing attempts, and insider threats. And finally, continuous audits are essential. Regularly auditing configurations, access permissions, and data flows helps detect and remediate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Looking ahead, The future of multi-cloud security is moving from reactive measures to proactive, intelligence-driven approaches. AI-based threat detection, automated incident response, and cross-cloud visibility platforms will become, well, increasingly important. Businesses that prioritize multi-cloud security today will be better positioned to innovate securely while maintaining customer trust. So, to wrap this up, multi-cloud strategies offer incredible flexibility and competitive advantage, but they also demand a meticulous security approach. Understanding the challenges, adopting best practices, and leveraging modern security tools can help organizations mitigate risks while fully harnessing the power of multiple cloud vendors. Secure multi-cloud management isn't just a technical requirement, it's a business imperative for resilience, compliance, and trust in the digital era. Before we go, here's a little challenge for you. Can you name 3 major risks that increase when using a multi-cloud environment? What security principle would you implement to make sure users don't have excessive access? And here's a bonus. Can you think of one way AI can help monitor multi-cloud security in real time? Share your answers in the comments. I'd love to see how sharp your cyber skills are. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our cloud security playlist for more deep dives into securing multi-cloud environments. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video on Bluehat Cybersec Academy.